Hello everybody, my name is Niku and welcome to the Trading Setup channel where we explore the world of trading. So what does a strategy that truly works look like? Most people look for a strategy that predicts the market instead of helping them make decisions. People want clear rules that remove responsibility and eliminate doubt. And this is exactly where the main mistake appears. The market cannot be predicted. A working strategy is not a set of entries, but a clear logic of actions in different situations. If you watch until the end, you will see why robust systems look boring, but survive emotions and mistakes, and why this approach ultimately provides more calmness and control over time. And also, I've gathered a free resource with a summary of my setups, checklists for entry and exits, and simple risk calculations templates that help avoid blowing your deposit in the first months. The link is in the description below the video, and there's a QR code on the screen. Go ahead and grab the materials and use them as a starting point for your own tests. Okay, let's get our platform set up so we can get to trading. First of all, we're going to make sure that we have our candle period set to 30 seconds, and we're going to be doing 3-minute expiry trades using this. So we're going to add 2 indicators today. The first one's going to be the MACD. Second one is going to be the parabolic stop and release. And we're going to add these two together. And the strategy is fairly straightforward. We're going to look for areas where the parabolic stop and release gets broken by the price. Like this would be an example here. We had the parabolic stop and release broken, and the candle after, candle after, so one of these two candles, we had the MACD do a bearish crossover as well. When this happens, we're simply going to go in the direction of the crossover. In this case, this would have been a sell. Very same situation here. We had the break upwards above where price broke through the parabolic stop and release that was above price, showing us that's a bullish break. And then after the candle later, we had the MACD do a bullish crossover as well, and we could have simply taken a 3-minute buy here as well. So that's our strategy. That's what we're going to be using. Now we'll just flip through some assets and see if we can pick up some trades. Okay, so now that we have our platform set up, we can start looking for some entries and see what we can, if we can take some trades using this strategy. So I'm just going to go down the list and see if we have any. We are breaking through here. I'm going to go with the 3-minute buy on this. We did break through the parabolic stop and release, and we do have the bullish crossover on the MACD. Also, the part of extra motivation is that price seemed to have been hitting this support area here, and we will have to wait and see what happens. While we wait for this trade to close, we're going to add this to our hot slot. While we wait for this expiry to run out, we'll have a look at a few other assets as well and see what's happening. I'm going to go with the sell trade here. We have the parabolic stop and release broken now, and we have the bearish crossover on the MACD as well. So let's just add this in quick to our hot slots and have a look and see if we can pick up some other trades. If we get a bullish crossover here, we might go with a buy. Doesn't look like that's going to happen. We did get a bearish crossover here. We're a bit late though. I think I'm going to go with this anyway. Here's another asset we might get a trade on. Gotta wait for that candle close though. Let's see if we get the bullish crossover. We did indeed. I'm gonna go with the buy. Okay, so our oldest trade would have been CAD. Let's see what's happening here. We've got 30 seconds left on this. We do have a fake break there on the MACD. It did drop below, but it did turn upwards as well afterwards, which is good. Let's see what happens. Okay. This one's next. This will be the next trade finishing up. That last spike on CAD really did us bad. Let's see if the other assets is going to treat us a little bit better. 30 seconds left on this. So basically, this candle. If this candle closes red, we're good. If it starts pushing up, we might be in a little bit of trouble. Let's see what happens. Good trade on that. Next up will be this. Ooh, this is dropping beautifully. Absolutely gorgeous. And we had this as well. Okay, this trade closing up in 20 seconds. And then we'll go to the USD BDT and see what's going on there. Successful trade. Okay, so we've got 40 seconds left here. It's pushing up beautifully. This would have been so much better if OrdCAD gave us a decent close instead of that last minute drop on that candle. That really did us bad. Just gotta wait a few more seconds, 10 seconds left on this, and we'll see what happens. There we go, good trade. Okay, so in a few minutes, we did 26.4% growth on our account. We did 15% trades. So, very fast strategy. Preferably look for areas where we go in the direction of the overall trend. And as with any other strategy, like you guys saw, there will be losing trades. Sometimes you're going to miss it. The key thing is to stick to this strategy and be patient, wait for good entries, especially because this is on a 30-second chart. You're going to get a lot of entries in a short time, so no need to take bad ones or ones that doesn't quite look good. Take the good looking ones, and that's it. If you want to learn faster and see real trade breakdowns, I have a closed trading community on Telegram where we analyze trades, share setups, and work on setups in real time. To join, message me. I select participants to keep the level of discussion useful and intense. There are fewer spots than applicants, so act quickly if progress is important to you. And subscribe to my YouTube channel where I post trade breakdowns and short instructions. Subscribing will help you not miss the next useful episode. If you like, in the next video, I'll go into detail about specific setups and show how the entries and exits looked in real trades. Leave a comment about which assets you're interested in and we'll analyze them together. I'll see you guys in the next video, and until then, may the pips be with you.